My name is Craig Mann. I work in the Northeast United States, New York and New Jersey. I work on a lot of large construction projects within New York and New Jersey. Zoho Projects helps address these problems in projects because there's people that are working remote, obviously, with the recent COVID pandemic. So Zoho Projects, really, you can customize it anything you want. It's a web-based standalone product. When you're looking across multiple projects, it's difficult to see per user what the hours budgeted are. And there's actually a space in projects to put that in there. And then I use analytics to link the two. And it gives me an accurate picture of how many hours are consumed against the budget, which hasn't been done before I took that over. So it was a pretty big tool to see outside of Excel. You don't have to have a lot of private information because a project really just has users and the user's name. Anybody picking that up outside wouldn't really identify what that is. So it was able to stand alone for actual project management versus linking into a system. If you're looking at Zoho products to implement in your organization, just remember that I looked at Salesforce, I looked at Microsoft Projects, I looked at Outlook and other CRMs, and everyone I tried had some issues to deal with, but the biggest issue was they were very complex and a huge learning curve to do what you can do in Zoho inside of an afternoon in any one of their products. So I would say that's what you should really think about, especially if you have other users that are going to need to learn how to use it. So very easy to implement.